Hey everyone, transferring data from Android to iPhone? Don't worry, I'll show you how to transfer all your data easily using the Zapya app. In under just 2 minutes you'll be all set. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Zapya app installed both on your Android and iPhone. On Android, go to the Google Play Store, and on iPhone, head to the App Store. Search for Zapya and install the app on both devices. Once both apps are installed, open Zapya on both your Android and iPhone. On your Android, tap Send, and on your iPhone, tap Receive. Your Android phone will search for available devices. When you see your iPhone listed, tap onto it and connect. Your iPhone will ask to confirm the connection. Once accepted, you're ready to transfer. Now, on your Android phone, choose the files, photos, videos or contacts that you want to transfer. Tap Send and the data will start transferring instantly to your iPhone. Once the transfer is complete, you'll see a notification on your iPhone. And that's it. Your data is now on your iPhone. And that's how easily transfer data from Android to iPhone using Zapya. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.